Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how to remove a video which you have reposted on TikTok. This is really useful at times where you have reposted a video, but then you've decided to change your mind or you did it by mistake. So first, let me show you how to repost it, and then I'll show you how to remove the repost. So on your phone, open up the TikTok app. Now go through the For You page and scroll through the TikTok videos. Once you find the video you want to repost, tap on the share icon. At the top where it says send to, you'll see the repost icon. Tap on it and repost it to your followers. Once it has been reposted, you'll see a label saying you have reposted just above the username. To remove the repost, tap on that label and then tap on your username. Then a menu will appear at the bottom. Tap on Remove Repost. The repost will be removed from the video. And that is how to remove your repost on TikTok. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and please consider subscribing if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.